Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon, and I just unboxed the Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I got through the entire unboxing, and I missed a whole bunch of stuff in the other box here, so I'm just going to show you what's in the box as opposed to taking it out of the box. So what you get is the Fire TV Cube unit. I bought this, by the way, with my own funds, and this device is, I think, guts-wise, very similar to the Fire TV 3. So it may not be all that powerful compared to the Fire TV 2, but there are some reasons why I like this one already a little better, and I'll show you in a second. Now, the first thing is that this device is not only a set-top box, but also acts as an Amazon Echo device, so you can talk to it even when your TV is off. It's got the far-field microphones and all that good stuff on there. On the back, you've got a couple of ports here. USB on the left. You've got an infrared port there, which I'll show you what the importance of that is in a second. HDMI out to your television and power, because one of the things that this can do is turn on your television with your voice. And if you happen to have a TV that is too old to turn on via HDMI, they include an IR blaster here in the box. And I'm going to play around with this a little bit because it'd be kind of fun to see if it will turn on other stuff beyond just the television. So I've got an old TV upstairs that doesn't support HDMI CEC, so we'll definitely be trying that out with that one when I do my testing in a little bit. And then I was very happy to see that they give you an Ethernet adapter in the box, so you don't have to go out and buy it separately. So you have Ethernet here. It's not going to be super fast because it's just running over USB 2, so you're not going to get a true gigabit speed out of it, but it should be, I think, enough for Blu-ray MKV files, and we'll test that out to make sure that it is okay for that. So there you go there. Here's the power adapter. It plugs into its own jack, unlike the other ones that plug in via USB. So that is where that goes. And that was the one thing that was interesting about this, is that it has almost like a USB pass-through on it, but I don't know if that port is used with this particular model. This might just be the same Ethernet adapter that's used on all of the Amazon devices. So I think you have to pass power through on the other ones. And then here is the remote, and it looks just like the remote we are accustomed to seeing on many other Amazon devices there. So that is everything that comes in the box, including the batteries, and we're going to have a full review of the Fire TV Cube on the main channel at lon.tv very soon, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast: Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.